Navigating solar domestic content can feel like venturing into uncharted territory. How do you know when domestic content modules are even available, or if the price premium is worth it? Perhaps you don't have the time to get these questions answered or know where to start. With Anza's data, analytics, and expertise, we can help you quickly and easily answer your domestic content questions. You can feel confident you've chosen the right path forward for your solar project, no matter if you're in the development or procurement phase. You can use Anza solar software to filter for modules with US cells or assembly. At least 10 domestic suppliers are available on the platform for delivery in 2025 and 26, with more on the way. For those modules, you can instantly see module pricing, supplier contact information, technical specs, and energy production information, saving you weeks of time in data aggregation and analysis. You can see available solar module options for your project ranked by total lifetime value, taking into account installation cost savings and production benefits. With our latest release, you can see the domestic content component percentages for your elective safe harbor calculations. Use this information to ensure that you meet IRS requirements for the bonus credit. If you need more support, you can gain a more in-depth understanding from Anza's expert team. We can help you find the optimal blend of domestic and international module options to increase your project profits and run detailed analyses for a deeper understanding of the value of domestic content in your project. Ready to solidify your domestic content strategy? Anza can help you access all the data and insights you need to quickly make the best domestic content decisions and ensure you have a sound strategy to increase project profits. Talk with us today to learn more about how we can help.